In Eagle Rock, California, a home grows around its trees rather than against them. 3 Trees by Jeremy Levine Design transforms 3 existing pines into the very pillars of daily life, celebrating nature as both muse and structure. The house's volumes unfold like simple prisms of glass and stucco, each clipped around a living tree trunk. Rather than a single monolithic block, the design is a triad of pavilions: bedroom, wing, living space, and studio, each defined by its sheltering tree. Built with recycled fly ash concrete and sustainably harvested lumber, the structure rises lightly on its slab. A thermal rock wall on the south face captures heat by day and releases it at night. Mobile sunshades and clear-story vents create passive airflow, making the home as efficient as it is poetic. A pocket courtyard, an open-roof thermal chimney, links old and new, drawing cool air through the plan. Beyond, each room opens via sliding doors to a private tree-shaded terrace. Bedrooms, kitchen, and studio dance in sequence, never more than a step from their guardian tree. Passive daylighting through clear stories allows adjacent rooms to share light, filtering it gently across the recycled wood ceiling. At dawn and dusk, the trees cast shifting patterns, like living sculptures on every surface. A restrained palette, fly ash concrete, reclaimed lumber, rock, and glass, grounds the design in sustainability. Each material tells a story. The concrete recalls past industry, wood carries memories of distant forests, and the rock wall anchors the home to the earth. Instead of crowding the plan with furniture, shelving is carved into walls. Minimalist fixtures create moments of delight. Every detail honors the home's ethos: simple, sustainable, and intimately connected to its trees. The backyard grass becomes a solar-heated pool and deck, covered by a retractable cover that prevents evaporation. Gray water and rainwater feed the garden, while meditative seating under the deck turns roots and shadows into sanctuary. Three Trees reminds us that architecture need not conquer nature, it can flourish with it. Here, glass and concrete bow to living trunks, and every space breathes under a canopy of possibility. A house grown, not built, a true testament to harmony between home and habitat.